Jai Bharat to all students. In last lecture, we have completed different chapter and topic on economics. Okay, different types of economics and basic economics problem, poverty and unemployment. So in this today's lecture, we will start our new topic management. Okay, what are the different types of management? What is the function of management, level of management, okay, how management work, okay. So in this basically we already know what is the management, okay. Management means we have to clarify some things to the worker, or we have to manage some money, or also we have to manage some material in to produce something, okay. Like just like in making a manufacturing, making a car manufacturing, okay. uh, to build a high-rise building, in construction, civil construction, okay. So there is a, in anything we have to manage something, okay. Also for shopping just like dmart, okay, they have to manage something, okay. They have a proper management, okay. So in this lecture or in this chapter, we will study about how management works and how do we improve our management in a production of something, okay. So let me start with the first of all, okay. uh, One of the most important activity in management is the 4M. 4M. What is 4M? One is man, worker, okay. Machine. Different types of machines are there to produce something, okay. We require raw material, okay. In building construction, we require steel, cement, sand, aggregate, etc. In phone, we require different camera, chips, glass, okay. So these are the raw material, okay. And last, money, okay. So basically management include this 4M, okay. We have to manage this 4M, okay, so that we can easily produce something, our product, okay. And uh, cost effective also, okay. We have to manage money so that product will be cost effective, okay. And if it is a less price, then public also will buy it, okay. Or if we do not manage money properly, okay, so that product unit production will be higher, okay. So if unit production is higher, then just like in our economics we have said that if price of particular product is high, then demand will be decrease, yes. So demand will be decrease and our product will not be sell, okay. So we have to manage this 4M so that we can get the proper uh, product, and also we get the benefit from the selling the product, okay. So this 4M is are important in management. We have to manage man, worker, machinery, material and money, okay. So we only have to do manage of these for M, okay. They have started with M name, so that this called for M of management: man, machine, material and money, okay. So management can be considered as the proper utilization of people, yes, proper utilization of people and other resources in an organization to accomplish desired objective, yes, okay. We have some desired objective, just like we have to make phone, we have to make car, bike, we have to make a laptop, we have to construct a one building, high rise, okay. So a management can be considered as a proper utilization of people, worker and different types of other resources, material, money, okay, in any organization to accomplish desired objective, which what objective I have for different organization. Okay, so we have to complete our desired objective, okay, with the help of proper utilization of people and money or other resources. Okay, okay, our definition, different types, different scientists give the different types of definition. Okay, so its concept will be remain same, but they have used different types of word and statement to construct a different definition. Okay, so, one of the scientists is F.W. Taylor said that management in business and human organization activity is simply the act of getting people together to accomplish desired goal. Our main objective is to we have to complete something goals. Our objectives are there. We have to manufacturing phones, laptop. Okay, but how do we with the we do not make phone or laptop or bike with the help of only one man, okay, or only one owner. Okay, we have to make a group of people. Okay, so we have to make people together, and we have to make activity, and with the help of people we have to accomplish desire our goals. Okay, so F.W. Terrell said that management in business or human organization activity is simply the act of right people getting people together. We have to merge people together to accomplish our desired goal. Okay, next, Peter Drucker said, according to Peter Drucker, give direction to their organization, provide leadership, and decide how to use organization resources to accomplish goal. Our main objective is to complete the goal. Okay, we have to produce bike, car, mobile, or laptop, or anything. Okay, so Peter Drucker said that we have to give direction how to produce bike, how to make a car. Okay, to organization we have to make a provide leadership, and how to use organization resources. Different types of resources are available to make product. Okay, so these are the direction we have to give. We have to give leadership to accomplish our simple goal. Okay, so Peter Drucker said that give direction and how to use resources to accomplish our goals. It's called management. Okay, next scientists say, according to Henry Fowell, management is to forecast means predict futures. Okay, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and control activity of others. Okay, we have to decide in future how to plan our product, how to organize it, how to command, what are the different peoples are there to be command to the respective their worker, how to coordinate, and how to control activity of other. It's simply a management. It's said by Henry Fayol. Okay, and next is Fremont Malik said that management is the transformation of resources into utility. Utility means our product, mobile phone, laptop, car, and bike is our utility or service. Okay, so management is simply the he has said that management is the transformation means we have different types of resources, money, material, machine. Okay, simply the management is the transformation of these resources into one product or one utility or one service. Okay, so these four scientists give the different types of definition using different types of word, but their common meaning is the same: to accomplish goal, or to accomplish to produce a product, or to complete the objective. Okay, okay, how management work. Okay, now let's say we have different types of resources, just like man, material, machine are there, money are there, our how to build a phone information are there, and also technology, machinery technology. Okay, so these are the resources available with us. Okay, so what is the management will do it? They will, first of all, they will plan how to resources make and how to two or three resources will merge into one simply object. Okay, then they will organize, they will staffing means they will assign different work to a different worker. Okay, so example, this work will do this stuff, this work will do different stuff. Okay, staffing. Then for staffing they have one leader also, and they will all the chain of command will be controlled by management. Okay, so this five function of management will accomplish our organization goal and turning resources into our product. Okay, so we have different types of resources, but to combine resources with the help of management, planning, organization, staffing, leading and controlling, we accomplish goals. Okay, this function of management we will study in detail in next lecture, this five function of data management. Okay, so I this lecture I have given only brief discussion about this function. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss more about function of management. Okay, or next is the nature of management. Okay, how management's nature. Okay, now management, we already know management is a continuous process. Okay, just say okay that our for the mobile manufacturing company, two mobile is manufactured, two mobile is done. Okay, so we cannot say that after two mobiles management will not be there, we will produce now new mobile with ourselves. Okay, management is a never ending process. If you want to continuous the manufacturing of mobile, you have to make continuous management. Okay, management is a never ending process. Okay, it will remain the part of organization till the organization itself exists. If you want to close the manufacturing, then itself management will be closed. But if organization is there, management is a never ending process. Always in organization something is you have to manage yourself. Okay, so management is an unending process, as past decision always carry their impact for the future course of action. Okay, it will also affect past also and futures also. Okay, so management is a never ending process unless organization itself exists. Okay, okay, then universal in nature. Okay, what is said universal in nature means it's exit everywhere. As I said example, it's also used in marriage function, wedding function. Okay, it's everywhere. Okay, in bike manufacturing, computer manufacturing, building construction. Okay, anyway, or any you have to start a business or any IT company or any website development. Okay, you will need something management. Okay, so it exist everywhere in the universe. Okay, whenever there is a human activity, there is a management. Okay, so the basic principle of management can be applied anywhere, whether they are business or non-business organization. Okay, so if it is a business or non-business, the principle is be there. If it is a human activity, the management will be there. Okay, so it's a exit everywhere. Management is exit everywhere. So second point is said there. Management is a universal in nature. Next, third, multidisciplinary. Okay, disciplinary, we already know. Okay, what is the your discipline is just like you have studied in diploma, so it's is engineering disciplinary. Okay, if someone is studying in BSc, its a disciplinary will be BSc, BCA. Okay, so there is a different disciplinary are there. Okay, MBBS, doctor. Okay, so multidisciplinary means said management is the basically multidisciplinary. Okay, it work in all the discipline. Okay. Okay, so consider various other stream like sociology, psychology, economics, statistics, engineering, medical. In all the discipline, management will be there. Okay, so management, it's not bound to the one discipline. Okay, management will be in the multidiscipline. It will be including the all the disciplinary that are available in the world. Okay, so management like links idea and concept of all this discipline and use them to for good self of the organization. Okay, so management is the basic disciplinary. Okay, then fourth is management is goal oriented. We already discussed different definition, and that main objective is for the management is to accomplish simple goal. Okay, so management is a goal oriented. Okay, take sees the goal directly. Okay, and what are the tasks to complete goal, they will give the idea about them. Okay, so it works to achieve some predetermined objective or goals which may economical or social. Okay, just like say I have to produce one mobile phone or 100 mobile phone or 1,000 mobile phone with the these features. Okay, so our goal is to produce mobile phone. Okay, so management will work and give the task according to them, and they will complete in the time limit to accomplish our goal. Okay, so management is a goal oriented. Okay, then management is a group of activity. I already said if you want to produce or manufacturing mobile phone, it's not a work of only one people. Okay, manage or any work example. Okay, so management is a vital part of group activity. Earlier I said that it's everywhere when human activity will there, management will be there. Okay, so for human activity we have to compulsory have to group. Okay, so as no individual can satisfy all of his needs himself. Okay, our goals to something is there that only I will not produce this product. Okay, I will require friends or anything. Okay, so we have to unite our with co-worker and work together as an organization group to achieve what he cannot achieve individually. Okay, individually he cannot manufacture mobile phone. Okay, they have, he have to hire some people or a industrial specialist or mobile phone specialist or many worker labor. Okay, so and that part of group and management is that there. Okay, with the part of group. Okay, not about only individuality. Okay, so management is a group activity. Dynamic management is a dynamic in nature. Dynamic means it's change. Static means it will be there sthir. Okay, its principle will do not change with the time. Okay, dynamic means technology or technique to manage business changes itself over a period of time. Okay, n- newer techniques arriving in management. Okay, so after certain period, after 1 year, 2 year, 1 month. Okay, so it will be the if say new technology or new techniques, then management changes with their new technology. Okay, so it not a static, it will not same as a last 5 year or in future 5 years. Okay, it will be changed with the according to our needs or according to technique or according to technology. Okay, so it will be changed. Management will be easily can change. Okay, itself changes over a period of time. Next is system of authority. Okay, for the management we have to some authority will be there. Why? Because if there will be authority, then we have the power to give the command to the worker. Okay, if I will not authority, or I will not honor or CEO, then I will not give the command to the other people, to a worker. Okay, so for the management to work systematically, authority has to be there. Authority is the power to get the work done by others, okay, worker, labor, okay, and compel them to work systematically. Okay, we have to give order to the worker or labor to complete the work in given time, complete to work in systematically. Okay, so management cannot be performed in the absence of authority. Okay, so if I will order, management will order something, okay, you have to prepare this product likewise, okay, but worker will not follow their order, then management will do not get the work properly. Okay, so there is for the management to work, authority of power is there in the any organization. Okay, so management cannot perform in the absent of authority. Okay, authority and responsibility depends upon the position of manager in the organization. Okay, what are the your responsibility and what are the your authority. Okay, then management is a science. Okay, management is considered as a science. Why? Science tells about the causes and effect of application, and it's based on some specific principle. Okay, we already know science, physics, chemistry. Okay, so it's based on some causes, and if we do not follow them on daily basis, what are the effect will be arise. Okay, so effect of application, and science use some basic, simple, specific principle, okay, and procedure. Okay, so management also like the science. Okay, management also uses some there is a some principle are there and specific method to complete the management or work in the any organization. Okay, so management is also called as a science. Okay, so science based on some specific principle. Okay, so management also works on some basic principle and specific method, okay, to complete the given task or complete the given product. Okay, so management is also called a science. Okay, okay, management is also an art. Okay, art art means management is considered as a art, as both require skill, knowledge, experience, and creativity. Okay, art means we have some something called skill, knowledge, experience, 5 year, 10 years. Okay, and creativity to compete in the new futures, new world. Okay, to achieve our different goals or desired objective. Okay, so management is also a science, management is also an art. Okay, so we have now discussed nature of management. Okay, let me revive. Okay, management is a continuous process, it's a never ending process. Universal in nature, is used in all the discipline, or whenever there are human activity, management will be there. Then it is a multidisciplinary, it used in sociology, psychology, economics, statistics, engineering, medical. Okay, basically use management in all the discipline. Okay, management is a goal oriented, we have to complete some objective or some goal. Management is a goal oriented. Management is a group activity, it's not a individual task. Then management will have dynamic in nature. Okay, management can change its technique and method over a period of time. Okay, for the management to work, we have to acquire system authority or power. Okay, so that management can perform very well. Management is a science. Why? Because science use some specific principle and procedure. Okay, Also, management also use some specific principle, some method to accomplish desired goal and objective. Okay, so sometimes management is also called as a science, and also management is a art. You have to use skill, knowledge, experience, and creativity to achieve goal. Okay, so management is also science and art. Okay, so now this is your today's question. Okay, for different scientists you have to write down four different definition on management, and you have to write down short note on nature of management. Okay, and upload it in RNWIET application. Okay, so now today's lecture is completed.